Hi guys, Nagaraj here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new for this channel, please do subscribe. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This video will see the limitations of Selenium WebDriver. While selecting the automation tool, we should aware like what kind of applications we are going to automate, and because the Selenium has its own limitations. So I have listed in this video some of the important limitations of the Selenium WebDriver. We'll see one by one. The first limitations will be the Selenium does not support the desktop based application. It supports only the web based application. So if you say this one, so we need to understand what is web based application and what is desktop based application. The web based application is nothing but the application which is launching through the URL, or it is like a web based applications. Suppose if you are suppose in this case, I have opened this application using the www.ProTechBeach.com. So in this case, this is the application which is launching with the URL, right? These are all the web based applications. So these applications are called web based applications, which is we can able to launch through the browser. So these web based application, it is possible to automate through the Selenium. What is desktop based application? The desktop based application, for best example is for Eclipse or whichever the IDE you are you are installing in your machine, right? So those are all the standalone application like IDE, IntelliJ or Postman tool, whichever you are downloading and installing in your machine. So that is particularly local to your machine, and it is a standalone application. You are installing IDE, IntelliJ or Postman tool, whatever you are installing, right? That will be, you will go to the web browser and you will download, and the application will be saved in your machine. Whenever you are trying to launch, every time IDE or IntelliJ, you are not going to search the URL, www. You are not searching any URL, right? You are clicking on the shortcut key and double clicking that, it will open the applications. So those are nothing but standalone application, or you can say it is a desktop based application. Those kind of desktop based application not possible to automate using the Selenium. Okay, the next difference is the mobile application testing is not possible with the Selenium. Okay, that means with the Selenium alone itself is not possible to automate the mobile applications, but we have a tool called APM. With the help of the WebDriver, we can able to automate this. So that is the meaning, because by integrating these two WebDriver with the APM tool, and because APM also supports the multiple language as supported by the WebDriver. Okay, so we can able to do that. The next difference will be the Selenium has very limited support for the reporting. That means, so with the Selenium alone itself, we won't get any exact proper reporting. We don't have. So with the help of third-party tool only, we can able to generate our required customized report as well. For example, if you can go for the TestNG or Extent report or Cucumber tool. So these are all the third-party tool. By integrating these tools, we can able to generate the proper report. With this execution report, maybe we get how much time it has taken for the execution, and how much test case was, how much test case got failed, total test case we consider for automations, and these details we will get it. The next difference will be the Selenium does not support the CAPTCHA or barcode. In many of the applications, we have like something like the CAPTCHA code, or I'm not a robot kind of CAPTCHA. We need to select some images and we need to click on this checkbox, then only it will proceed for the next process. In terms of CAPTCHA, if you keep on, once you refresh the page, every time if you refresh, there is a new text will appear, and this text we need to enter in the text box. Okay, then we need to click on OK, then only it will proceed with the next step. And similarly for the barcode operation, if you scan only, we can able to proceed next, right? So these kind of CAPTCHA or barcode operations not possible to achieve in the Selenium, but there are some third-party tools available in market still. With the help of Selenium, we can able to achieve, but we can't achieve that 100% result. So we can say that for now the Selenium does not support CAPTCHA or barcode. So what is the next limitations? The performance testing. So Selenium itself is not supporting to do the performance testing. So with the help of some other tool, we can able to perform like JMeter. By integrating the JMeter with the Selenium WebDriver, we can able to do the performance testing, because Selenium also JMeter also supports Java multiple language. So if you are working with the Selenium with the Java, then the same Java WebDriver code only we need to write in the JMeter tool, so that we can to perform the operations. In Selenium, we can't able to handle the window-based pop-up. So if it is a browser-based, yeah, we have a Windows handle pop-up, Windows handle method we have. But in case of window-based pop-up, it is not possible to handle. With the use of third-party tool like AutoAid tools or something like that, we can able to perform. We can able to handle the window-based pop-up as well in Selenium. And what about the audio video? Some of the applications we may see that there are the video streaming or audio streaming video. We need to validate those audio and video quality, but this kind of testing is not possible in case of Selenium. So right now we don't have any solution for that with the Selenium. Okay, this is the one of the drawbacks if you use the Selenium tool for as a automation tool. Okay. So these are all the very important limitations I have listed. Okay, we can recap again. Like, the Selenium does not support the web-based application, desktop-based application, and it supports only the web-based application. The second one is like it is not supporting the mobile testing, and we have a limitation for the reporting as well, and it does not support the CAPTCHA and barcode as well. And it does not perform testing also not possible in terms of Selenium alone. It is not handling the window-based pop-up, and not possible to do the audio and video validation. Yeah, extra valid. So along with this, we have some more also. We have like sometimes some applications will log in with the OTP. So that OTP also the Selenium does not support. So there are many also, but I have listed which are very important. Okay, that's all for this video. If you have any doubt regarding the limitations, if you want to cover more in detail, so please put it in comment section, so let me revert back with the update. And if you like this video, please hit like button. Please share with your friends, those who are looking for the Selenium concept. And don't forget to subscribe this channel for further useful videos. Thank you.